Guys, ito naman yung part 2. Emilio and Michael ask the housemate to describe their duo in one word. Okay, play na natin to. Okay, bilang tayo guys. And 3, 2, 1, go. So, yeah, here we go.
Before I got evicted, I was doing this for myself, for my family, and to show yung personality ko nga. But ever since coming back, I've been doing this really for the supporters. And ako, hindi na ako magtatago talaga. I wanna reach Big Night. No questions asked. Super.
Will boy.
Well, parang grabe na rin kasi yung pinagdaanan ko namin dito Especially ako. Sobrang nag-struggle ako dito sa loob ng bahay. And para sa akin,
Pero na-overcome mo yun.
na-value ko yung family na nabuo natin dito. Pero parang ayoko na rin talaga sayangin yung mga bagay na naramdaman ko at na-overcome ko. Kaya same kami ni Ralph. Talagang di na namin tatago. Pinaglalaban
Kuya.
din talaga namin yung Big Night. Kung papala rin talaga. Tsaka family, of course, and for the supporters. Yun.
Everyone else dreams, myself, my family. And what I like about River and I, we have a common ground. And we realized that ever since na naging duo kami, na purpose talaga namin is to be a blessing to others. We're holding on to that. So, that's something na tutok ako ngayon.
Honestly, there were so many times that I wanted to leave. So many times I wanted to give up. But then I think the fact that I'm still here, after, yun nga, like Dustin, after 4 nominations, nandito pa rin ako. I owe all of that to the supporters, the people outside. Parang sila lang yung naging motivation ko to stay and to keep fighting. And yun talaga yung ipaglalaban ko para sa kanila.
Ganda naman. Yung pang Miss Universe tong mga housemates.
Kaya sila,
Very smart, no? Ang gagaling nito
Parang hindi enough yung one word, pero kung siguro one word. Parang kay Ralph, yun ay selfless. Sobrang selfless na tao kasi ito ni Ralph. Baga, lahat, gagawin niya para sa kaduo niya. Hindi niya papabayaan. I-make sure niya na okay. Tsaka, through ups and downs, sasamahan ka talaga. And,
Very kuya.
Yeah, yung mentality, nandun na Yung mindset, talagang hindi mo na mapagkakaila. So, para sa akin, yun, talagang,
Ikaw, Ralph?
ano siya?
Ako, kay Will, growth. Growth talaga. Kasi I think
laki.
he's one of the people na who had the biggest difference from week 1 up till now. To see how he's grown as a person, how he's grown as a housemate, na lahat ng walls niya, as in binaba talaga niya dito. Na from being one of the most quiet to pretty much the loudest one in this house, alongside the Sneer. Ay, yung mga anak ni Ma'am, yan, yung dalawang yan.
Mom.
So I'm really proud of how far he's come. And I'm excited for what's waiting for us also.
Plus siguro persevering kasi ang dami na nangyari emotionally kay AZ dito sa bahay, ang dami na niyang pinagdaanan pero I still see her fighting spirit until now. So, persevering.
Forever. Pwede 2 words. His dad. Kasi his dad is everything. Selfless, mapagbigay, mapagmahal. Everything how he explains his dad. Sobra.
Tatlo na yun ate.
Pero seriously,
Grabe
River
talaga, no?
is his dad.
Ang dami kong natututunan sa Pinoy Big Brother and actually, ang dami kong natututunan talaga. And na-inspired ako dun sa mga messages and yung mga advices na binibigay nila sa bawat isa. And yeah, good job. Alright.